In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the power button to activate the timer for Hans devices. It is simple but very useful, especially when the plug-in electric appliance has no timer come with it. In this normal operation, we see the LEDs is on. So when we press and hold it for about 2 seconds, the LED began to flash. So if we don't do anything, it will go back to its normal operations and stop flashing. So we do it again. During this time, if we press it again, so we can set the timer off duration. So from 30 minutes up to 8 hours, we can set the timer off. So very convenient to use. Thanks for watching us.